Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Naveen Reddy. Today I am going to explain a multiplication trick which is very important and very easy to learn. By using this multiplication trick, we can find the product of two numbers very fast. In my previous videos, I have explained common multiplication tricks which are applicable for all the numbers. In this video, I am going to explain a multiplication trick which is special, and this trick is applicable to those numbers which are near to hundreds. So let's start. Type 1 is if the numbers are less than 100. If the two numbers are less than 100 and very near to 100, how to multiply both of them? All right. Let us take one example. It's very simple and we can do it within seconds. 93 into 95. Second one, 97 into 92. Third one, 95 into 98. Fourth one, 96 into 91. Fifth one, 99 into 94. The answer for this is, so its answer is 8835, and this answer is 8924, and its answer is 9310, and its answer is 8736, and its answer is 9306. How did I write very fast? A very simple calculation trick is there. I'm going to explain that. Just listen. The trick is 93 is near to 100, 95 is near to 100, right? 93 is how much less than 100? 7 less than 100, right? 100 minus 7 is 93 and 100 minus 5 is 95. So these two I will write. And after that, either you subtract this or subtract this. 95 minus 7 or 93 minus 5, you will get the same answer. Okay. So that we will write first. 95 minus 7 is 88. All right. And then these two you need to multiply and write here. 7 5s are 35. So 8835. Isn't it very simple? Very fast you can calculate within just 2 seconds. You can calculate it. Just only 2 steps here. We just have to write how much it is less than 100, and we have to subtract this and write here, and we have to multiply and write here in 2 digits. All right. Let us see this one. This is 3 less than 100. This is 8 less than 100. And 92 minus 3 is 89. And 8 3s are 24. That's all. This is the answer. And this is 5 less than 100. And this is 2 less than 100. And 98 minus 5 is how much? 93. And 5 2s are 10. 9310. And if you see this one, this is minus 4. And this is minus 9. And 91 minus 4 is 87. 9 4s are 36. That's all. 94 minus 1 is 93. 1 into 6 is 6. So you should write in 2 digits. 06 we need to write. We need to remember this. You should write in 2 digits. Very important thing. We should write in 2 digits. If you get only 6, you write 06. If you get only 9, we write 09. Whatever. If you get single digit, we write 0 and the digit. We should write in 2 digits. So this is the trick. It's very simple. All right. Now let us see next, type 2. If the numbers are more than 100, how to calculate? That is also very simple. You can calculate it very fast. Let us see how to do that. So let us take first example, 103 into 102. Second one, 105 into 107. Third one, 109 into 102. Fourth one, 106 into 107. Fifth one, 103 into 112. 103 into 112, let us say. How to do this? This is much more simpler. So the answer for this is 10506. Its answer is 11235. Its answer is 11118. Its answer is 11342. Its answer is 11536. This is very fast. Very simple. You can do it very fast. Just by looking at the question, you can do. How? This is 3 more than 100 and this is 2 more than 100. Like the previous type 1 there is minus here. So you subtracted. Here we have plus. These both numbers are added. So these are more than 100. So that's why we need to add. 102 plus 3 is 105. And then we have to multiply these both. 3 2s are 6. In 2 digits we will write. So 10506. Here, how much this is more? 5 more than this, and this is 7 more than this. 107 plus 5 is 112, and 7 5 is a 35. 11235. And this is 9 more than 100. This is 2 more than 100. 102 plus 9 is 111, and 9 2 is a 18. So this is 6 more than 100, and this is 7 more than 100, and 107 plus 6 is 113. 6 7 is a 42. We'll write here. This is 3 more than 100, and this is 12 more than 100, and 112 plus 3 is 115. 12 3 is a 36. Isn't it very easy? It's very, very easy and simple. You can calculate within 2 seconds. Now let us see type 3, how to do. In type 3 is if one number is less than 100 and one number is more than 100, how to do that? So let us take type 3. So let us see if the one number is more than 100, one number is less than 100. Let us say 93 into 105. First example. Let us say 97 into 102. Let us say 98 into 107. Let us take fourth example, 91 into 109. Fifth example, 92 into 112. Simple. This one is 93 is 7 less than 100. 105 is 5 more than 100. Either you take 93 plus 5 or 105 minus 7, you will get the same answer. What is that? You will get 98. So we will take only one out of that. So 105 minus 7 is 98. So I'll write 98 here. And 7 5 is a 35. But actually this is minus 7 and this is plus 5. So it will be minus 35. You are going to subtract 35. So this is little different than the other two types. So what we need to do, we need to write 2 zeros here, 9800. And then we need to subtract 35 from this. So 9800 minus 35 will be 9765. This will be the answer. So this is little different from the other two methods, other two types. So now you see here, this is 3 less than 100 and this is 2 more than 100. And 102 minus 3 is 99, and we have to take 2 zeros. 3 2s are 6. So 9900 minus 6 will become 9894. Now this is 2 less than 100. This is 7 more than 100. 107 minus 2 will become 105, and 00 we write. And 7 2s are 14. We will subtract from this, and this will be 10,486. This is 9 less than 100, and this is 9 more than 100. 109 minus 9 will become 100, and 2 zeros we will keep, and 9 9s are 81. We will subtract from this. Then how much this will become? 9,919 will get, right? So this is 8 less than 100, and this is 12 more than 100, and 112 minus 8 will become 104, and we'll take 2 zeros, and 12 8s are 96. We will subtract from this, and 10,400 minus 96 will become 10,304, right? So this is the type 3. Now all these three types you applied for the numbers near to 100. This is very, very important thing. Please listen very carefully. All these three types you applied for the numbers near to 100. Same thing you can apply for numbers near to 200, 300, 400, 500 also. But the only difference is you have to multiply with the numbers. There is only simple difference. I'm going to explain that. Please listen very carefully. Watch the video till the end so that you will understand, apply for all the hundreds, all the numbers near to any hundreds. Let us see what are those types. If the numbers are near to 100, how to do them. Let us see the example for less than 200. 198 into 197 I'll take. Same thing like first type. This is 2 less than 200 and this number is 3 less than 200. As usual, we will write 197 minus 2 will be how much? 195. Till here the procedure is same, but after getting this, we have to multiply it with 2 because the numbers are near to 200 here. So since we are applying that method, we have to multiply it with 2. Please remember this. If you can remember this, rest of the things will become easy for you. All right. So you have to multiply this. How much you will get? 2 into 195 will become 2 into 200 is 400, right? 2 into 195 will become 390. After getting this number, we have to multiply this and write in the same manner that we have done for the 100. All right. Hope you understood this. The answer will become 390 and 2 3s are 6. 0 6 we will write. Hope you got it. So let us do one more example. Exactly like the numbers less than 200. For example, we have 193 into 194. Let us say this is 7 less than 200. This is 6 less than 200. You subtract this. How much you will get? 194 minus 7 will become 187. So we will get 187, but we need to multiply it with 2. When you multiply it with 2, what will happen? 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 17, 2 ones are 2, 1, 3. 374 you will get. After getting 374, we need to multiply these 2 and write the answer here, 42. Hope you understood this. If the numbers are more than 200, apply the same method like that. Only thing is we need to multiply with 2 after getting this step. That's all. For example, we have 207 multiplied with 211, let us say. This is 7 more than 200. This is 11 more than 200. And 211 plus 7 will become 218. Multiplied with 2, this will become 436. After this, 7 into 11 will become 77. This is the answer. Very simple. If one number is less than 100, one number is less than 200, one number is more than 200, apply the same method like hundreds. But only thing is, at this step, you have to multiply it with 2. All right. Same thing you can apply it for 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, any hundreds. So let us take one example near 700s. All right. So for example, we have 696 into 697. We have to multiply this. So these numbers are near to 700. That means we have to multiply it with 7. That we need to remember. All right. So now here we have to, here this is 4 less than 700. This is 3 less than 700. And 697 minus 4 will become 693. And this number should be multiplied with 7. How much this will be? 21. 7 9s are 63 plus 2, 65. 7 6s are 42 plus 6, 48, right? So you got 4851 and 4 3s are 12. That's it. Let us suppose we have more than hundreds. Let us take one more example. More than 800. 811 multiplied with 812. So this is 11 more than 100 and this is 12 more than 800. So this number is near 800. So multiply it with 8. So 812 plus 11. How much this will be? 823. 823, it is multiplied with 8. When you multiply it with 8, what answer you will get? 8 3s are 24. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. 8 8s are 64 plus 1, 65. 6584 we got. 6584 and 11 into 12. 11 2s are 11 into 12 is how much? 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11 plus 2, 13. So 132. Here only we need to write two numbers. So 132 I'll write like this and we have to add these both. When we add this both, this will become 5. 658532. Hope you understood how to apply this method. Okay, this method is applicable for 50s also, but that is a little different. Let me explain how to do that. Okay, near 50s, all 50s you can take. So for example, if the number is near to 350, let us say. So let us take 347, multiply it with 348. If you have to multiply this both, this is 3 less than 350 and this is 2 less than 350. 348 minus 3 is how much? 345. Till here it's the same thing. All right, till here it's the same thing. But after getting this, what to multiply this one? That is a different thing. All right, since we are taking the numbers near to 50s, 35 we need 5. How much you got? 7. All right, that 7 we need to multiply to this and we need to take by 2 also. Okay, so we have to multiply it with 7 by 2. All right, after getting the answer, we can go for multiplying these two and keeping that number beside it. All right, so 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are and 2 2s are 4 and 0.5 we get. All right, so 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 14 plus 3, 17. And 7 7s are 49 plus 1, 50. 7 1s are 7 plus 5, 12. And here we get 0.5. We need to multiply it with 100. All right, when we multiply it with 100, 120750 we get. And after this, 3 2s are 6, we have to add to this one. If we take one number more and one number less, we have to subtract it. If we take two numbers more, we have to add it after getting this method. But don't forget to multiply 100 here. If it is an odd number, you will get the number in point. Only one digit will be there after point. Then you will get 10 after this number. That's all. So this will be the answer. If you think this method is going to take little longer time, then you can apply the method which I have explained, common method which I have explained in my previous videos. If it is near 350, we will take 7 by 2, multiply with 7 by 2. If it is near 550, let us say, then we will multiply by 11 by 2. That's all. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you all very much. We'll meet in the next video with more and more interesting math tricks. Until then, bye.